In this lecture, we have integrated Bulma CSS framework into our applications, so we have some base styling. In this lecture, we'll try to integrate MetaMask with our web application. All right, so let's begin. Let's see our code. Okay, and let's see our app.js. Okay, we will place everything in this small application inside of an app.js component. Later in the next project will be much bigger, or much bigger project. We will have normal structure. Okay, so in our app.js, we want to load here, or we would like to access here web3. Okay, so in our app, we'll load this in use effect. Okay, so use effect. Okay, you can use effect function when your component is mounted on the screen, and you will provide here there's an empty brackets. This means when your app component is mounted on the screen, use effect will be executed only once when you will provide your empty brackets. This will be called only once, and here you will have a function. I'll define here custom function const load provider. For now, empty function, but this will be async function because we'll be doing here some asynchronous stuff, and then simply we'll call load provider. Okay, so guys, since we have MetaMask installed and it's running in our browsers, where is our application, it's also injecting to our browser web3 library. Okay, so okay, I've already some comments for you, so you can access them. Okay, so now we have access with MetaMask. We have an access to window.ethereum. Okay, Ethereum, and also we have access. You can make it here and window and to window.web3. Okay, this is injected with a MetaMask. Okay, so this is MetaMask. MetaMask injects a global API into websites, into website. Okay, so this, for example, what this allows here, so this API, as you will see, will allow website to request, for example, to request users, accounts. It can communicate with the blockchain, so read data to blockchain. Also, it can send messages and transactions Okay, guys, so to prove it to you, I can console log here. Window.web3, and I can console log here window.ethereum, and you will see yourself that these two objects are injected here. Okay, so you can save it. We can go to our browsers. Okay, not here, but I'm using Brave. Okay, and here. Open here console, clear it out. Okay, now there was just an obsolete error, but you can see here I can access here. This first one is Web3, and the other one is Ethereum. So there is a Web3 can access, and here is the Ethereum. So we have access to both of these objects. And now we can test it out. We can try to make some simple requests. Okay, so we can leave it open. Okay, let's go to coding editor, and let's say when we'll be clicking on this button here, I'll create here one more button. I'll call it enable Ethereum. I'll write here, it can be class name, will be same, btn and margin right 2. All right, and we'll have here on click, so when we'll be clicking on this button, something will happen on click. Let's write here function like this, and this will be async function. What will happen here, I will ask here for accounts. Okay, so const accounts =await.window.ethereum. We have a globally accessible, and function request. We can make here request to blockchain request, and we can serve here a method. We can specify here a method, which is this JSON RPC format method if underscore and the request accounts, like this. Okay, so on click, we would like to make a request to the blockchain with the method if underscore requests accounts. Okay, that's it. And then simply just console log these accounts. Console log accounts. Let's save this, guys. Let's save it. Let's go back to browsers. Not this one. I'm going automatically to this one all the time. Let's refresh here. Now we have here enable Ethereum button. Let's click at this. And your MetaMask wallet should be basically opened. And you are prompted to place your password. So place here your password. All right, unlock. And you can choose the account which will be connected to your localhost 3000 here with the MetaMask. Let's click here next. You can choose your desired account. You can connect all of the accounts, and you can see here now that's your account you are connected to. Okay, when you will open MetaMask, you can see here it says connected here with this account here. When I will choose here different account, okay, I need to connect this other account. So connect 3 account, and now I'm connected with account 3, and I can switch between accounts without asking even now. Account 2 is connected here, and account 3 is connected. I can now directly talk with my user with my web page with the MetaMask here. So I can now send the transactions, and I can emit them to the network, and I can communicate with the ganache, okay, with our smart contract. So I can fetch here now data, how much if I have an account on a smart contract, and I can donate, withdraw through my web application, not just through my console. But there are still some steps necessary to initialize because, yeah, there is a couple of things we need to do before we will start communicating. But quite important step is already done. We have integrated basically now MetaMask. Oh, actually, one more thing. Since we have connected 2 accounts now and both accounts are connected, when you will click here, Enable Ethereum, now you should see here, I will clear it out, Enable Ethereum, you should see here, and anytime you will click Enable Ethereum, the currently connected account, right? So here you can see A1, that's correct. When I will connect here to account 2, clear it out, I will click here, Enable Ethereum, and I can see here C6, which is my, here the second account. Okay, and that really it is. So I hope to see you next one.